Median is one of the calculation in statistics that is almost there every year in your Living Cert. Let's have a look. The scores of 9 students in a history test are given in the table below. X is the lowest score and Y is the highest score. Where X and Y belong to N, what does that mean? N are natural numbers, so that means they are whole positive numbers, no zero. Now, if you are in the exam and you forgot what that N stands for, if you go to your maths table, page 23, that's where you have those sets. And you can see set N, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see whole numbers, positive, no zero, no negative. Okay, so what do we need to do? We have to write the scores in order. In what kind of order? From the lowest to the highest, in the space below. So obviously X being the lowest value and Y being the highest value. So the next value in line will be what? 37, then the next one 42, then 54, then 74, 76, 82, and 91. So that was nice, easy marks to get. Next part is saying find the median of the scores and explain what these scores mean in the context of the question. So 2 things to do, find the median and to explain. That's the reason why you have that N highlighted in bold letters to kind of draw your attention that there are 2 things to do. So first one, what does median means? That is basically middle. So now since we have them arranged, and in order to find the middle, we need to have them arranged in that order, we find the middle number. Together we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 students. That means my middle will fall at 74. So the median is 74. Now what will happen if there was more values? If my median, because that's sometimes the situation, let's say there was one more number and the middle fell between the 2 values. So let's say between here. What do we do then? Well, then we add up 54 and 74 and divide by 2, and that's how we'll get the middle value. That's not the case here. So, and now we have to explain what that means in the context of the question. So when we are given an explanation, we have to refer to the fact that this is a result of the history test for the students. So we can talk about it in 2 different ways. I'll just remove that. In 2 different ways. We can either say that half of the students, or 4 of them, got less than 74 marks, or we can say more the other half or the other 4 students got a result higher than 74. So whichever way we want to go, whether we want to go lower or want to go higher, that will be a good explanation. But we have to mention the history test and the results and the fact that 74 is that point where the rest is less than that or the rest is higher than that. That's what we have to mention.